We're going on a girls' trip. Oh. I don't like them very much.
I want to make sure.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta go. Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, fashion, owning your own business, travel, all the things, and I am so excited to bring you guys along on a girls' trip. I am here with my friend Carly. I will show you guys Carly soon. You've actually met Carly if you've been watching my channel for a while. You've seen Carly in a few different vlogs. Carly was in my vlog when we went to Lilydale, and I actually think that was mine and Carly's first little outing together. I'm gonna ask her and confirm that. But we went to Lilydale together. I made a vlog on that. We also went to the Blueberry Treehouse Farm. I made a little vlog on that. We've also done, I don't think I vlogged it though, we did a really fun event where we went lavender picking. We do a lot of fun things. We've been like a little adventure duo in my mind. Like I'm like, I don't think I've done this many fun, new, different kind of things with a new friend literally ever. So it's been really fun getting to do fun things with Carly, and one of the fun things that we're planning on doing is hosting a retreat together, and very likely hosting a retreat together at this exact spot. We are at the Lakehouse, and again, if you guys have watched my channel, you know I love the Lakehouse. This is where I come to do my annual business retreats, and since Carly and I are planning on doing a retreat together, we were like, we need to come to the Lakehouse. We need to get some content. We need to do a little bit more planning for the retreat that we are planning to throw at the end of this year. So stay tuned for more details and all the things. So we're here. And because Carly's birthday is on Thursday, they hooked it up. We are in a literal corner room with this beautiful balcony with these nice chairs. Look at the water. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm so happy to be here. It is so nice out. I'm literally wearing a tank top. It's March. I can't get over it. I feel so grateful to be here, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along. Look at our cutie room. Oh my gosh. We couldn't have gotten better weather, honestly. I'm so amped about the amazing weather that we have. And here's our cute little bathroom. It's so cute in here. Oh my God, I'm so psyched. It gets really tall.
It does.
Like, that's impressive.
If I could just honestly just buy this again, or maybe if they have one that's like $30 more expensive or something, I would be so happy to find just a little bit more expensive version of this.
Totally.
It really does the job.
Oh, I would probably laugh, but that's my default response for like when I'm very uncomfortable and feel bad for people, and then I would be like immediately concerned. So I would crack up and then be like, oh my God, I'm gonna go get you help. Carly's setting up a shot for us, and she's right on the edge of the water. We got our little complimentary wine. We're just hanging in the sun. Oh, it's so nice. We were just sitting outside by the water. It was so lovely, and now we are at the Rose Tavern. We're gonna get a little bit of dinner. We're both starving. I'm so excited to eat. It is Wednesday morning. I literally haven't shared anything with you guys since like after dinner. So we had an amazing dinner last night. We got fries, we got Brussels sprouts, we shared a salad. It was so good. Everything was so good. And now we're awake, we're in the gym, we're gonna get in a little workout and then dive into a whole bunch of things. We're probably gonna hit up the pool at some point today. We're gonna have a call with my sister at some point today to talk about graphics. We're gonna do all the things and I'm so excited. So let's get moving. We are heading for breakfast. We did such a good workout this morning. It was hard. We got sweaty. Carly took me through what is it on YouTube?
Peloton.
Okay, like a little Peloton workout. It was really, really good. It was a leg day and Carly got like a 2-mile run in. I did a little walk and obviously we're ready and like dressed and stuff and we're heading back to the Rose Tavern, get a little breakfast. It's so cutie in here. And I've got my laptop because we're gonna do a little bit of retreat planning, and as soon as we're done with breakfast and stuff, we will tell you a little bit more about the retreat. We just got back to our room, we just changed, we had a call with Sarah to talk all about graphics and stuff, and what we're gonna do now is like do a little bit of reading, and then we're gonna sit down and tell you all about the retreat, and I also am gonna probably put in like a few kind of photos. I'll put a few things here for you guys to kind of just see how beautiful this place is, because it's unbelievable, and we're having the best weather. We are getting so clear. We literally just mapped out the entire itinerary for the retreat, and so it's just so exciting. And so I can't wait to sit down with Carly and tell you guys exactly what we're doing, why we can't wait to do it, and tell you who this is really for so that you can figure out whether you're a good fit to come. We just came back to the room after doing like some filming and stuff, and we wanted to just tell you guys a little bit about the retreat. I figured that we would tell you a little bit about like the who, what, where, when, why, how for you to come to the retreat. So do you want to kick it off with the who?
Sure. So I'm Carly. I am a New York State-based blogger and content creator. I love sharing fun, exciting places to visit around New York State, state parks, fun weekend getaways, hidden gems, cool places to stay, all that kind of stuff. And I met Julia through Instagram, sort of brought us together.
Yeah.
And I'll let you give a little intro of yourself.
And you guys should know this by now, but I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I own my own boutique marketing agency. We specialize in all things social media, really all things digital marketing, web, graphics, social strategy is my jam, building ambassador programs, and creating community. And I feel like that is one of the things that Carly and I like connect on and relate to the most.
Absolutely.
Is our shared love of creating spaces specifically for women to come together and talk about the realities of what it's like to have your own business, to be a creator,
to build your own business,
yes,
all of those kind of things. Yeah.
to make money working with brands.
And even just like making money working online or
Yes.
through Instagram or through your own platform.
So we really wanted to put together a retreat for like-minded women, people who are eager to really make 2026 their year. Because Carly and I have seen through the work that we've done individually, the power of goal setting, manifestation, and being really, really intentional about setting a vision for what it is you want in the upcoming year and taking really mindful action about exactly how to get there.
And separately, we're both very goal-oriented people, so this sort of really organically aligned for us to come together and put together something incredible that will be super helpful to other women. And it just makes a lot of sense for us to kind of host this towards the end of the year, going into 2026, like you said, just like making it your year. So that's our vision that we have going forward for this retreat.
And we're gonna do it here at the Lakehouse because this is Carly's first time at the Lakehouse, but it will definitely definitely not be her last. She literally was like, oh, I'm gonna be back soon. And you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I've come to the Lakehouse a number of times. This is my spot for my annual business retreat. And after doing my own business retreat here for 2 years and seeing the power of setting intentions in this place and making an action plan for myself, and then seeing the results of that action plan, when I tell you this place has fairy dust, like, this is a magical place for allowing you to get into the big picture thinking you need to get into in order to really create a strong vision for yourself that isn't limited based on like a scarcity mindset. That's a big thing that Carly and I are excited to dive into as a part of this retreat, is helping you tap into your abundance mindset so that you are not letting yourself get in the way of achieving your goals.
And it's so natural to fall victim to the scarcity mindset, and that is something huge that we've been discussing as far as a sort of workshop we want to use during our retreat, of helping people get over that that sort of mindset and go into the abundance mindset.
Yep. So what the retreat looks like is it's going to be 2 nights away. We're going to get everyone here. We're going to kick off with a little welcome, and we have a few different things we're going to do throughout our kind of like 1.5 days, kind of 2 days, but it's like a half day, a full day, and then a half day.
Yeah.
And so we have a bunch of different things that we're going to take you through as a part of this retreat. We're going to be doing some reflection, some goal setting, and writing a letter to ourselves as kind of our like closing exercise, which is an exercise that Carly has done a number of times.
Yeah, so it's just a fun way that we're planning to sort of end things. Writing a letter to yourself, what you want for yourself, what you envision for your future self, and this is something that we will mail to you in the future when you want to reopen that. So like Julia said, this is something I've done before. I like doing it towards the beginning of the year and then reading it back at the end of the year and just kind of seeing my visions and my goals and things that I've manifested for myself kind of come to fruition.
So we are really, really excited about all of this and what you can do in terms of getting details about this retreat. You can find Carly, you can hit her up on Instagram. I'm gonna put her handle here. It's CarlyMarie_travel with me. And mine's jbethjs. I'll also put it right here. And you can reach out to either one of us. We will both have all the details that you need to figure out whether you're a good fit. But here's a good way to self-select in to know if you're a good fit for this retreat. You gotta be a girl. This is for the girly pop. Sorry, dudes. Maybe we'll do one for you guys later. You have to be willing to invest in yourself. This is not a $200 retreat. We are staying at a very fancy luxury hotel, and we're gonna be providing mostly every single meal for you guys. So this is not a cheap little retreat. This is a like, I'm gonna invest in myself because I know that by doing this, I'm going to create the vision and set myself up for success to make 2026 the most epic year, the most profitable year, and the most fulfilling and just like, I don't know, just like excited year. Like, we want you guys to really go into 2026 feeling so confident and clear about exactly what it is you want to do and what you need to do to make that happen.
Yes, you said that perfectly.
So yeah, if you guys want more details, reach out to either one of us. We're happy to kind of answer your questions and stuff. We are still working on pricing for the retreat, so maybe by the time you reach out, we will know exactly how much this is going to cost. We are going to provide options where if you want to be able to save a little, you'll be able to kind of like room with someone, and we will make sure that we book you a room with 2 queen beds. Otherwise, if you want to go balls to the wall, we will get you a room with your own king bed, and you can kind of have your own little place. But we are just so excited to do this. We officialized our itinerary, and it's really, really good. It's really valuable. So I'm just so excited for us to do this together. And yeah, let me know if you guys have questions in the comments, and we're just gonna continue to bring you guys along for this little time here, but I at least wanted to explain to you guys what we're doing and how you can kind of get more information from us.
Yay! Yay! Love it!
If you know me, you know that Rio Tomatlan is my absolute favorite Mexican restaurant in like the literal world. When I tell you this menu is the best menu, I'm obsessed. I love it here. We're here for dinner. I am so excited. We are in our robes. We went to dinner, which was so good, and then we came back and we got changed and we went into the pool. Oh my God. I'll put some footage here from the pool. It was so nice. It was so hot. And it's like a nice breeze outside, and it was just like the perfect way like wind down and like digest. Now look at this freaking sunset. Okay, wait, you can't really see it. I'll put pictures. I'll put pictures because the video footage is it's not doing it justice, but oh my God, it's just so beautiful. I mean, okay, you guys can see this lighting is good. If I turn the other way, it's kind of backlit weird, but look, I mean, it's unbelievable. And the freaking fire pits are all lit and so nice. Okay, maybe I will go down there. Oh, it's just so nice. It's so nice. It is Thursday. It is our last morning at the lake house. It's Carly's birthday, as you can see from the birthday streamers, and her little birthday bag. And we have breakfast at the room, like a little breakfast in bed moment. I'm so excited. We're gonna put on our bathrobes. We're having like a cozy, nice, slow morning for Carly's birthday. And also we did a really good leg day workout yesterday, and we're both like very sore, and we're like, yeah, a rest day is exactly what's needed. So we're gonna have a little breakfast. We both have been doing a little bit of like work stuff on our phone, just kind of like having a nice chill start to the day, which feels so good because I'm kind of like back to work today. I've got some meetings today, and my day tomorrow is a joke. My day tomorrow is like literally back to back coaching calls and calls with my team, and then a call with a real estate agent. And so I literally will be on like back-to-back work from like 9:45 in the morning until 4:30 p.m. And then I have some videos I either want to watch for my mastermind or at least edit some videos for my YouTube channel. So I have a lot of work to do for the end of this week, and honestly this weekend, and moving into next week, because next week is also a crazy busy week. But if you guys know me, you know that's kind of how my weeks tend to shake out, is I tend to have like a chill, kind of more down week, and then a crazy week, and then a chill week, and then a crazy week. So it's to say, when I look to the week of March 31st, I'm like, oh my God, that week looks so nice. But next week is crazy, especially my Tuesday and Thursday next week are absolutely insane. Thursdays are always my busy day, and I really try to avoid having Fridays as my busy day, but because I was off like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week, Friday is my busy day this week. So tomorrow's gonna be crazy, but it's just all to say it was so nice to have 2 days off, so I'm feeling like refreshed and rejuvenated, and honestly genuinely ready to dive back into work stuff. I am home. I just got back from the lake house. Carly and I had the absolute best time. We had the best freaking time, and the thing that we did come up with in the car on the way home, and I will say we didn't actually come up with it, my sister came up with it, and we're working with my sister for graphic design and some stuff for like building our brand for this retreat. And the retreat name is Elevate on the Lake Retreat. We are so excited. I'm gonna have so much more information about the retreat, how you guys can sign yourself up, all of the things, so you're gonna wanna stay tuned. Definitely be sure to follow me and Carly on Instagram. And if you guys liked this video, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to hit the bell to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. We've got a Portugal trip coming up. Matt and I are taking dance lessons. We've got a lot of fun things that I'll be bringing to the channel soon. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. I am so, wait, why don't I remember even what my, hello. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're,
welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Julia, I'm a Buffalo-based content creator.
You're the
I
best.
was making videos about lifestyle.
I should just let him
hauls.
do it.
And today, I'm bringing you along with me to...
I try not to fuck with them because they seem like they'd fuck you up, you know? Yeah. Hold on, wait, it's... Okay, I want to make sure it's not blood. Okay, perfect.